Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. So as you can see, I currently have the default clock icon on my iPhone home screen. To change it, all you need to do is press and hold on the clock icon. Make sure you are long pressing, not just tapping, otherwise the app will simply open. Once you hold it down, a menu will appear. From here, you can switch the clock to a different style. For example, you can choose a larger clock design if you don't like the default one. You can also press and hold again to adjust its size or position on the screen. Now, if you want even more clock options, press and hold anywhere on the home screen and tap on Edit Home Screen. Then tap the plus icon at the top to add a widget. In the search bar, type clock or select it from the list. Here you'll find multiple clock widget styles, including different designs, and even a world clock. You can swipe through the options and choose the one you like the most. Once selected, add it to your home screen. After adding it, you can move it around, resize it, or remove the old clock icon if you don't need it anymore. If you want to customize it further, just tap on the widget, make your changes, and then tap Done. And that's it. Now you know how to change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.